Welcome to Fee Plus School Management System Training Session Chapter 1. When you start the software, here appears the login screen. After putting the value of user ID and password, you just click on next button. The next screen will be different modules. The first module is front office. On clicking the front office, you will have the complete look of front office module. In every module, there is a common screen which have school address and photographs. You have website address available also here. Here is list of students having the birthday today. Now, in right side of the screen is school overall status, that is current year form sale, new admissions, total number of students, total registration, teaching staffs, non-teaching staffs, bus and stoppages, and number of students having the conveyance facilities. Below this is total status of school date wise, that is today total status, form sale and new admission, student present, teaching staff present today, non-teaching staff present today, total income of the day, total expenses of the day. But these two, total income of the day and total expenses of the day, appears only in administrative login. Now come to the inquiry form, the details, inquiry module details. Here is option for inquiry, where you will put the details of inquiry in your school. Here is another option for single form sale and form sale in group. In single form sale, you just give the values, name, address and details of the form receiving person, and in group form sale you just only mention the number of forms sold. In form receiving, when you receive the form, you can store the data of form receiving also. Other activities include student attendance, student photos, and class photographs. Teachers' remarks is for the purpose to teachers' remarks includes the remarks of teacher about student, and here is guardian discussions with the administration. Apart from these, different reports are available here, that is form sale list, form receiving list, total form sold and total form received. Now to go to the another module, you can go to the close button, close menu, and click on go to the main. Further, you can create backup and log off also. You can close application from here. Go to the main. It asks for the backup of the day. If you click on yes, it will create a backup by the name school data, session and the day of today. If you click on no, it will proceed otherwise. And in student information system, you have new registration, modifying the registration, admissions, class-wise admissions, admission cancellation and admission deletion. You can modify the admission detail. You can have the promotion or demotion of student also. You can set a fine or charge to individual students. Apart from this, there are different admission reports also. Other activities include student attendance, daily attendance, and student photographs storing facility. Reports for admission and reports for other activities. Now further you can log come to the main menu using go to the main. Fee collection, this is very important part of the software that includes all the receiving part of school, that is what the fees or other receive from students. Fee receive includes the fees part only, and say receive against the sale of item and books. You have item sale and book sale option also. In due reports you have different type of due reports available here. In payment reports you have different type of payment reports, category single student, class wise, month wise, date wise, head wise, and head and class wise. Other reports includes class attendance, class photographs, book list, fee card, etc. Further you can go to the main screen from here. Here is conveyance module. The conveyance modules include transportation details, the conveyance area, the conveyance stoppage creation, and conveyance details for individual students. Here is collection of conveyance fee, stoppage charges, and student conveyance details. For individual student you can modify conveyance details from here. Different types of reports available for conveyance details. Now you can go to the main again. This is transactions module. The transactions module includes any type of transactions done in the school, like item sale, book sale, item purchase, other thing. Here is masters creation, item group, items, item group creation, item creation, accounts creation, party or agency creation, employee creation, subject group creation, subject creation, book creation, and current book list also. Stock transaction, you can have books purchase, book return, book sale, and book sale return also. Similar, you have item purchase, item return, item sale, item sale return. Account transactions include student receive, party payment, salary payment, journal entry, contra entry, other expenses, and other income also. Here is different reports of stocks, general transactions report, student transaction reports, sale and receipt report, headwise income and expenses, books closing stocks, item closing stocks, books current stock, and items current stocks. Apart from this is accounting reports, daily income expense, date wise income expenses, day book, cash book, accounts ledger, trial balance, PL accounts, etc. Further you can log out and go to the main from here. Employee, the employee module includes various types of master creation, that is designation creation, individual employee creation, different type of area creation, and the transactions include login logout of the employee using password of employees, manual attendance giving the timing of entry and exit of employee, salary payment, salary advance payment, area payments, and reports regarding that also. In hostel you have option for hostel admission, change the student bed, student arrival and departure, and remove student from the hostel. Further, you have option for fee collection, hostel fee collections also, and various reports available here. Now you can move further to the main menu. Timetable is very exclusive module that generates automatic give you to generate automatic timetable. Before generating a timetable for a class, you have to create the master, that is subject group, class wise subject, new teacher, teacher code, and class teacher also. Further, you have to give the period details, subject to teacher, weekly periods, and class wise periods. And here you can create the timetable creation, editing the timetable, manual timetable creation. Just understand the difference between create timetable and manual timetable creation. This is automatic generation of timetable, and this is manual input of timetable creation. Replace teacher from one teacher to replace one teacher by another teacher. Today's arrangement, daily arrangement, that is, and so arrangements. Reports include various teacher wise timetable, period wise timetable, and class wise timetable. Library module. The library modules have different features, but you have to create master for that also. Subject group, subject, library sections, new book entry, and transfer from stocks. That is, you have two options for book entry: new book entry direct to the library, and transfer books from main stock to the library. In library, you have option for book issue, book receive, and option for late and damage fine collection also. Reports includes various types of reports regarding issues, book issue and returned, and current status of books. You have option for searching a book also. Now go to the main menu. Examination. In examination, you have to create subject group and subject, and you have facility of creating hall tickets also, depending on the fee payment of students. You have marks entry provision, and here is result creation. Apart from these, we have various modules here also, but we will go to the configuration. Configuration is the controlling system of the software. Here is different configuration for different modules. For schools, general configuration is here: my school details, class creation, class strength, registration field creation, general configuration for a school, reports formatting. Each reports can be formatted from here, and housekeeping also. Fee structure creation, and all these things are included here. New category creation, fee heads creation, new fee structure creation, modifying the fee structure at annual fee structure. Employee section, you can create designation, departments, qualifications, school timings, holidays list, leaves, salary cutting rules also. Hostel, you have hostel creation and hostel field creation, and even defining the hostel fee structure. Library, in library you can create library sections, you can generate your own book code, membership type, and member setting. In examination, you have to input the examination details, subject details, and define the grade. Apart from these, you have housekeeping for managing the software, and utility downloads for service and support purposes. You have online training from where you can get the online video training as you are currently getting the training of Fee Plus software. You have website tour from where you can directly visit to our software websites. Now this is overview of Fee Plus school management software, and in next chapter you will get the individual module description and individual operation in each and every action of the different modules. Thank you.